Today we're going to learn about freezing columns in Google Spreadsheet. So you can see in column A, I have a bunch of data, days of the week, and I want that to be visible whenever I scroll to the right side of my page. You can see right now it's disappearing and I don't really want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the column that I want frozen and I'm going to click A, left click, make sure the whole thing is selected, and I'm going to go down to view. My next option is to freeze, and I want to go down to the second section where it says no columns, one column, two columns, up to column A. I'm going to go to one column, and you can see that there is a gray line that appears. This lets you know that the cell is frozen, or column in this instance, and you can actually move this to freeze other columns that you need to. But for me, I just want to make sure that the days of the week are visible when I scroll to the left or to the right. And this is how you freeze your columns. Like I said, you can freeze multiple columns. If you need help with any other Google tips, you can check out my other videos.